Hi friends, I am Mathiazhagan, DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Applications, PG. Today topic we have design and prototyping in SketchUp. So how to device and resolutions for communicate between the devices and color panels, iPhone, Mac OS. So they have variety of devices and resolutions they have available. Today we have a topic for device and resolutions. So first one is the variety of Apple devices. We will know Apple devices have a different screen size and resolutions and requiring adaptive UI designs. So Apple devices is the different screen size we know. So resolutions. So common platform for iPhone, various size from component to large screens. iPad. So iPad large touch interfaces support multitasking. It is the common platform of iPhone, iPad. Next one is the Mac. Mac we know a desktop, cursor-based interactions. Apple Watches is the compact and glanceable UI. Apple TV is the larger screens, remote-based navigations. So this type of we have used for a variety of Apple devices and various screen size and supporting multitasking and desktoping. It is the common type of platform of the Apple devices, different screens. So next one is the points with pixel resolutions independence. We will know point and pixels. So Apple use point inserted for the raw pixel to scale UI consistently across the devices. Written display have a higher pixel distance, so assets should be designed for the multiple resolution. For example, of at 1x, at 2x, at 3x. So third one is the screen size and safe area. So consider the safe area to avoid the UI element beginning up structure. For example, of the home indicator. So use auto layout and adaptive UI and ensure the element of scales. Next one is the scaling and adaptivity. So user vector graphics, for example of SS symbol and SVG is instanted of the fixed size images and implement dynamic type of scalable text and then utilize adaptive layout with the constraint and flexible grid. So fourth one is scalable adaptability. It is the used for the symbols. It is the used for the user vectors graphics. For example, symbols, SVG, so images, and dynamic type of a scalable text we have used in designs and layout with the constraint for the flexible grid. Grid means we have using for flexible grid means we have using for row and columns we have used. So next one is the fifth one is the orientations and multitasking and support both portrait and landscape orientations when applicable. So for example of on iPad ensure the compatibility with split view and slide view over the multitasking. So this is the orientations and multitasking of this type of devices. It is the very used. So next one it is the high resolutions access preparations. So we have a variety of mobile sets available. So prepare the image access in the multiple resolutions. For example of 1x, 2x, 3x for the crisp visuals. So used PDFs for vector based assets where possible. So seventh one is the testing on multiple devices. Test UI across different screen size using Xcode simulators and real devices. So use preview switch UI to check layout adaptability. So this is the 6 and 7 type of devices and resolutions and compatibility of our devices. Thank you.